everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the homeopathic medicine that is Grindelia Robusta. So, if you are interested in natural health solutions in homeopathy, then this video is definitely for you. So, watch this video till end for more knowledge and stay connected with us for more informative videos like this. Let's dive into the world of Grindelia Robusta and learns about its uses, benefits, and applications in homeopathic medicine. Let's talk about this wonderful homeopathic medicine that is Grindelia Robusta. So, Grindelia Robusta is a remedy with a wide sphere of usefulness in the cases of asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, that is COPD. Grindelia belongs to the family that is Compositae, and this plant are commonly called gum plants as the terminal heads of yellow flowers, and the leaves are usually covered with the viscid balsamic secretions. And due to this reason, they have been called gum plants. Next, we'll talk about the constitution of Grindelia robusta. So, this medicine is best suited for the people who are easily affected by respiratory disorders and cough, and it is best suited to the people who are affected by Rhus-tox overuse, as it antidote the poisonous effect of Rhus-tox. Next, we'll talk about the clinical indications of Grindelia robusta. So, this medicine can be useful for the treatment of asthma, bites, bronchitis, Cheyne-Stroke breathing, conjunctivitis, emphysema, erythema, eyes pain, glaucoma, heart affections, iritis, itching, liver pain, pruritus, and Rhus-poisoning, and spleen pain in the ulcers. So these are the various uses of Grindelia robusta. Now, in order to make it understandable to you people, now one by one, I will be explaining each and every clinical indication in a elaborated manner so that you can understand this medicine very well. So let's talk about scope of Grindelia robusta as a homeopathic medicine. So its first action is on the mind. Let's talk about the mind symptoms. So, Grindelia robusta is indicated for the mental conditions where the individual exhibits significant irritability and restlessness. They harbor a fear of falling asleep due to the concern that they might forget to breathe during slumber. This remedy is also recommended for the individuals who experience mental distress, constant worry, and an enduring fear of darkness, necessitating the presence of a light throughout the night hours. Next, head. So, this medicine is indicated for the headaches when there is a severe headache with the terrible fullness in the head, as though from the quinine. The next use of Grindelia robusta is for the eye complaints. Let's talk about it. So, it is indicated for the eye conditions that is characterized by painful weakness of the eyes with injected conjunctiva resembling congestion of the brain. This medicine is recommended for the eye pain that radiates directly back to the brain with severe aggravations when moving the eyes. Grindelia robusta is a valuable choice for alleviating the pain in the left eye and right knee, similar to the pain experienced in the rheumatism. It is effective for rheumatic eye pains lasting for more than half an hour, which intensifies accompanied by pupil dilation, and subsequently the right eye may be affected similarly after a couple of hours. Grindelia robusta is a suitable remedy for purulent ophthalmia, and furthermore, it is a top listed medicine for the traumatic iritis, or you can say simply iritis, which is resulting from exposure to cold. Now, next use of Grindelia is for the chest complaints. Let's talk about it. So, Grindelia robusta is indicated for the chest conditions in which the patient experiences a fear of falling asleep due to the concern of losing their breath, which often leads to waking up. This remedy is effective for asthma, where upon falling asleep, respiratory movement ceases and only resumes when the patient is awakened due to suffocation. It is a top listed medicine for humid asthma, which is resulted from catarrhal bronchitis. Grindelia robusta is also recommended for the cases of cardiac asthma, which is characterized by an initial weakening of the heart actions followed by the retardation of the heart functions. Additionally, it is a valuable medicine for bronchitis with a dry cough, which is triggered by reflex causes. In such cases, there may be tenacious mucus that is difficult to detach. Next use of Grindelia robusta is for the heart complaints. Let's talk about it. So it is indicated for the heart conditions which are characterized by contraction of the heart accompanied by rapid heartbeat, severe chest pain, and a sensation of suffocation and choking. This medicine is also recommended for the heart attacks where paralysis begins in the extremities. Initially, the heart quickens its action followed by retardation in the heart rate, and this may coincide with increased blood pressure, that is hypertension. Next use of Grindelia robusta is for the stomach complaints. Let's talk about it. So this medicine is indicated for the excessive hunger often stemming from retching due to gastric ulcers and which heighten the appetite persist, and it is a valuable medicine for addressing acidity particularly when there is an increased sense of nausea, and it is recommended for the cases of gastritis which is resulted from disrupted digestion that leads to elevated sugar level in the urine. This medicine is also effective for This medicine is also effective for hyperchlorhydria, especially when it is accompanied by asthmatic and other neurotic symptoms. And symptoms may include hyperemia of the gastric mucous membrane, difficult respiration, severe digestion, and an increased amount of acidity. Next use of Grindelia robusta is for the abdomen and rectum complaints. So this medicine is indicated for the abdominal conditions which are characterized by distended feeling, often attributed to spleen inflammation, that is splenomegaly. This medicine is effective for cutting pain in the spleen region that may extend to the hips. It is particularly valuable for addressing hypersplenism, where the spleen enlarges due to chronic malaria. Grindelia robusta can alleviate splenic symptoms manifesting as a dull pain in the left side of the abdomen and fullness in the left hypochondrium. It is a suitable medicine for gastritis symptoms arises after chronic malaria and for gastric pains associated with splenic congestion. Grindelia robusta can address symptoms which are related to the cardiopulmonary distributions of the pneumogastric nerve, resulting in dry catarrh and vomiting of the mucopurulent matter, which is indicative of gastric catarrh. It induces a paralysis of the pneumogastric nerve and impacting respiration. This medicine is useful in the cases where the elevated blood pressure, that is hypertension, leads to unbearable pain in the liver and the splenic region. This pain is so severe that the patient cannot lie still. There is a soreness which is experienced in acute rheumatism in the same abdominal region. The next use of Grindelia robusta is for the urinary complaints. So, this medicine is indicated for the urinary organ conditions that often follows chronic malaria, and symptoms include the presence of blood in the urine in small amount, along with slight pain initially in the right kidney and later in the left kidney. These pains can extend down to the left side of the sacrum and are often accompanied by severe abdominal pain. Now, next use of Grindelia robusta is for the female complaints. So, this medicine is indicated for the female genital organ issues, particularly pruritus, that is itching of the vulva, and this itching may be associated with the conditions such as licoria, apathy, and venous origin. Next use of Grindelia is for the back complaints. So this medicine is indicated for the rheumatic pain in the back, particularly when these pains worsens while sitting, become aggravated and when lying on the back and during walking. This medicine is suitable for the cases where there is a heavy sensation resembling a lump in the right lumbar region. It is also effective for severe rheumatic pains in the sacrolumbar joint area extending through the left hip joint and down the outer side of the left leg, ultimately ending in the front and approximately 3 inches above the knee. Grindelia robusta is recommended for the sore pain along the back, accompanied by severe weakness and exhaustion. Next use of Grindelia robusta is for the skin complaints. So this medicine is indicated for the individuals with the skin affections which are characterized by itchy epidermic rashes resembling rosalia. These rashes often cover the entire face, neck, and sometimes the entire body, causing severe itching and burning. This medicine serves as an effective antidote to Rhus-poisoning, both when used locally and internally. It is also beneficial for conditions such as burns, blisters, vaginal catarrh, and herpes zoster. Grindelia robusta is recommended for the cases of dermatitis where irritable eruptions are followed by development of the papules or the vesicles. Additionally, it is a valuable medicine for gangrene resulting from uncontrolled blood sugar level, that is diabetes. And in such cases, ulcers may form on the legs accompanied by fetid secretions, pain, and significant swelling of the purplish black skin. So these are the various conditions where Grindelia robusta can be used successfully. Now next we'll talk about the doses and the potencies of Grindelia robusta. So the doses and the potencies of the medicine depend on the individual case. The first we have is Grindelia 30. So this lower potency is given when very few symptoms of the patient match with the medicine and help the doctor only to diagnose the disease condition. It is of great value in the treatment of rheumatism and asthma. This potency require frequent repetition 3 to 4 times a day till the expected result is seen. Next, we have is Grindelia 200. This is considered as a higher potency. They are given when the majority of the mental symptoms and the physical symptoms of Grindelia robusta matches. Here, higher potencies are advisable to not to be repeated very often because they act for a longer duration of the days. The second dose is repeated every 7th day or 15 day once. Next is Grindelia 1M. So this is very high potency. One should give it only after careful case analysis where all medicinal symptoms of the Grindelia and that given by the patient match perfectly. One should not repeat 1M potencies. It is given 30 days once and waiting for the symptoms to disappear. Next we have is Grindelia mother tincture. It is used by many homeopathy to relieve the symptoms which are associated with hemorrhage. It is mainly used to relieve the symptoms of the skin eruptions, emphysema, gout, and bronchitis, and should only be given when all the symptoms of Grindelia robusta are matched with the patient's symptoms. So take 10 drops of mother tincture in half a cup of water 3 times a day till the improvement occurs. Next is Grindelia robusta 3x or 6x potency. So it works well to treat the conditions like herpes zoster and skin eruptions. It has a therapeutic effect on the patient suffering from such conditions. So take 2 to 3 drops of dilutions directly on the tongue thrice a day for 3 months. So these are the various potencies of and the doses of Grindelia robusta. So that's all. In conclusion, I want to say that Grindelia robusta is a versatile and effective homeopathic medicine that offers relief for the variety of conditions, particularly respiratory and skin issues. So if you are considering homeopathic treatment, it's always best to consult with a professional homeopath to ensure the right remedy and the doses for your needs. And don't take them by yourself. Always consult a doctor. So thank you so much for watching. Helpful and especially valuable. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of homeopathy and natural healing. So thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of Grindelia robusta as a homeopathic medicine. So take care and until next time, see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. And if you are suffering from any of the health issues, you can contact us for online appointments. On the screen, you can see how to contact us. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching this video.